Hi, welcome back to another tax tip brought to you by Ferguson Financial Solutions. I'm Joshua Ferguson, and today we conclude our three-part series where we discuss the question, is it a business or a hobby? In part one, we established what constitutes a business. In part two, we established what constitutes a hobby. Now, we'll wrap it all together. So a business is any activity that is carried on with the intention of making a profit. The IRS has a set of factors they use to determine if an activity is in fact a business. Those factors are, do you keep and maintain accurate books and records? Is enough time and effort put into the activity to make it profitable? Do you depend on the income for your livelihood or the livelihood of your family? If you have a loss, are the losses due to circumstances beyond your control? If something's not working in the business, do you change operational methods to try to make it profitable? Do you and your advisor have the knowledge and the experience to run a successful business? Have you made a profit in a similar activity in the past? And can you expect to make a future profit from the appreciation of assets that you use in the business or in the activity? Now, a hobby is any activity that is carried on for the sheer enjoyment of it. You have no intention to make a profit. You just love doing it, kind of like fishing. Now, the IRS also has a set of factors that they use to determine if an activity is a hobby. Some of those factors are, it's carried on for enjoyment, personal motives like relaxation, pleasure, fun. You also have enough income from other sources to fund the hobby activity. And you may make a profit in some years, but that's definitely not your intention. Now, many people engage in a hobby that eventually turns into a source of income for them. And it's important to recognize that just because you are creating a profit in a hobby activity does not necessarily mean that you have a business. Now, if you have a hobby that you think may be a business, hiring a tax professional to help navigate those waters can be very advantageous. On the other hand, if you've been running an activity like a business and you think, hey, it may actually be considered a hobby, I might want to get some help with that. Definitely consult a tax professional to help make that decision. Or if you want to try a free option, these tax tips are free to you. They're my gift to you. Take what you need from them and share them with all your friends and all your family. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching our three-part series where we discuss the question, is it a business or a hobby? If you have a hobby that you think may be a business, reach out to a tax professional. Ferguson Financial Solutions can be reached at 907-395-4027, or you can visit them on the web at fergusontaxpros.com. If there are any tax topics that you would like to know more about, leave them in the comment section. And remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share the videos with all your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Is it a business or a hobby? And we'll see you next time for another tax tip.